Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make CapCut videos fit on TikTok. To make CapCut videos fit properly on TikTok, you'll need to adjust the aspect ratio. To match TikTok's preferred format, 9:16 for vertical videos. Here's how to do that in CapCut. First things first is to launch the CapCut app on your device. Tap on New Project and choose the video or clips you want to edit. Then tap on Add. Once your video is loaded into the timeline, tap on the aspect ratio option at the bottom of the screen. Then choose 9:16, the aspect ratio TikTok uses for vertical videos. This will resize your video to fit TikTok screen dimensions. Now, let's resize and position the video. If your video doesn't fit perfectly within the 9:16 frame, for example, if it was filmed horizontally, you can zoom in or reposition the video. Pinch the zoom or drag the video around to make sure the important parts of your footage are visible within the frame. Once done, tap the play button to preview the video and make sure everything fits and looks good for TikTok's format. Then tap on the check button. When you're happy with the edits, tap export in the top right corner. Choose the resolution and frame rate that matches TikTok's requirements. 1080p is recommended. And tap export again to save the video. By following these steps, your CapCut video will fit perfectly within TikTok's vertical format, ensuring that the entire video is visible and properly framed for TikTok viewers. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.